In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery inside your garage door opener that's looking just like this one. They come in many different brands. This one is Garaga. I saw LiftMaster using the same exact remote and many other brands. So first thing you need is simply to put the garage door in this position, and you can see here there'll be a small slot. Take a flathead screwdriver like this one. You can also take a knife, insert it inside, and then twist to pry the casing open. Once it's a bit open, it can be separated by hand, just like so. Here we go. So this part opens, these are the buttons, and the battery is right here. This one takes a CR2032 3 volts battery. To remove it, I guess you can do it with your nail, but I'll use the small screwdriver. Just go under and push it so it's out of it, and then you can just collect it with your hands. Here we go. Once you have the new one, put it back in place. Don't forget to put the positive side facing up. Insert it back. Now put back the buttons inside the other part of the casing. And put the two parts together. Make sure it clicks well. So this is how you change the battery inside of your garage door opener. Thanks for watching, and please give us a like and subscribe if this video was helpful.